before we get into the actual footage, there's a couple of things of context that I wanted to get into. If you're new to the channel or not familiar with my car being on the track, to date, the best my car has ever done in July heat was 7.3 at 96. And obviously, I haven't made any upgrades as far as I do have my 430 gear, and I do have a two-step and a few other parts to make the car go faster, but you know, just the way 2020 has been, I haven't gotten those on there. But we were in very good air and the track was right, so my thought was we're gonna go fast today and all of that. But I didn't actually notice until I got home and I was pouting because the car ran like total dog stuff, that it actually did finally wheelie. So it made me happy. But anyway, guys, let's get into the video, see how the day went. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, if you know, you know. So not only do we got my car, but we got Stuart's car out here. They haven't seen under the hood. I don't know, should we show them now? Or you can kind of see over there the 15-week wait is over. So we're gonna get into that in a minute. Stuart's gonna put all the boost in there so he can beat me down the track. No, guys, it's it is most certainly boost weather, and I'm gonna try and see how the car does today. I have no clue, but should be interesting. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna make a hit here in a second, but as you can see, I got the light out, shaved engine bay problems. There. But yes, so are you going to show us off the new yeah, okay, no advertising whatsoever. So 15 weeks later,
about time.
is that? Yeah,
yeah,
almost 16 actually.
yeah.
But possibility we may be heading to the dyno again soon, so stay tuned for that one. But yes, the Vortech is on. This thing is sweet. It's a rocket ship now. Obviously, he's not on tire, so you're just gonna slip and slide your way down the track, but at least it'll be fun, right? It's boost weather too, that doesn't hurt. All right, guys, so track prep is looking good right now. About 61 degrees, nice breeze. But they're dragging the track right now. I really think this could be the day. I don't know, I'm not gonna jinx myself, but doesn't get much better than this. My fastest time has been in July heat, so hopefully we can do something. What's the good news?
765.
Hell yeah, dude, it blew the tires off too, so not bad. What's your mile an hour? 10?
90.
Oh shit, look at you. You rolling. I guess that means I gotta make a hit now. pretty bad. I tried $6 grand and that was no bueno.
All right, let's see how bad this one was. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, 829 at 93. Shit. So major spin on the first hit. So I got the pressure down, dropped it down 2 pounds. Was at 14, we're at 12 now. But the car's wrapping up, and I've got a video Jason took of it. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but I'm gonna try to drop launch RPM too. We're gonna try to launch like 5 grand. Good. Started breaking up a little bit, top of 3rd gear, but that was definitely better.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Frickin' trash. 777 at 93. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much gonna be a wrap. Aggravating. I don't know what's going on in the rear end, but we'll figure that out. And of course, I was really thinking with the good air today, the car was gonna run good, but yeah, not so much. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a little frustrated. The first time we blew the tires off, the second time it bogged and we did the hoppity hop, and mile an hour great, almost 94 miles an hour, but it's just getting it out of the hole, dropping pressure, dropping launch RPM, then the car dead hooks, then it bogs, and yeah, I'm frustrated after sitting in the line for that long. They got some badass radial cars here, but my hope was it was going to be kind of slow today, and it's not. It's they're lined out all the way down to the end, so it is what it is, boys. We will be back on the track, and definitely got to make some changes. I'm going to put it on the lift. I think we may have ripped a torque box. Something something's a little fishy back there, and it's kind of hard to describe, but something feels a little bit loose. So figure that out too. But yeah, that's going to be about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be back on the track again very soon, I promise, and we've got more projects to do on this. So yeah, later.